Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into Crypto.com app from bank account. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you will need to open up your app. Then you will be here on the main site, home. You will see four buttons at the top. So buy, sell, deposit, and send. So click on deposit. And you will see here three options. So crypto cash request from a friend. Now what you will gonna do is click on cash, and like so it will open up the new window where you will see your details, what you need to do, to that you can send uh, the money to your profile in crypto.com app. So you will see the minimum deposit is €1, maximum is 1 million, and it takes some to 1 to 2 days. But from my experience, it's basically uh, direct, so it's no wait, maybe a few minutes, and it's done. Now here where you see the blur, you have some bank account holder name, IBAN, SWIFT code, bank name, bank institution address, and bank in the institution country. You will need to you will need this information in your main bank that you can transfer money to crypto.com app. So this is basically it. Be careful, especially on IBAN or Swift code. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.